and welcome to Batman Car Show by Diecast Card by JR. And as always, there is my Gmail address. Those of you interested in any of these cars you see today, they are available. Just contact my Gmail address as always. I'm going to jump right into this and let you see what's going on here today. Love that Batman theme. In the background here, we've got a little bit of Batman going on. Uh-oh, my special guest fell over today. Batman here is a very interesting character, as we all know, if you're fans of Batman. And anyway, this one here in particular, about 6.5 inches high, and every one of his joints move. You can pose him in anything you want to pose him in. All right, I'm going to get right into these cars. Right here in the middle, I want to show you that this is the original Batmobile, for those of you who weren't aware of that. And this car was designed by a guy many years ago by the name of George Barris. I believe he started out with a Thunderbird, and the fellows for the movie said, "George, give us something really wild." Well, George always cranked out something really wild. George Barris, what a guy. I think you can all say, you know, he was just a terrific guy all the way around. And that is the original Batmobile. And of course, there was many, many more to follow, as you can see. A couple of them I wanted to bring to your attention. This one in particular is the only one that I have that is from Matchbox. At least the only one that I've found so far. There's an awful lot of them from Hot Wheels that I have. But I did want to show you that Matchbox did jump into the Batman parade, which went really, really wild. Some of these cars, honestly, I'm not real familiar with a lot of the Batman series stuff, but I have a stepson that certainly is. And what would Batman be without the Joker? I have a Joker car here, the only one I have, and it is available if you are interested. It's pretty well detailed. Look at that exhaust coming off that motor, isn't that neat? Really wild, guys. Up next we have, I don't know if you can see that, this one has what looks to be what I call a turret. It's like a cannon hanging off the top of this car. Batman must have been planning on doing some business with that one. Over here, these two are pretty much identical. Blue tinted windows on the one with the stripes, and red on tinted windows on the one with the red stripes. These two cars are from 2013, and they just look cool. There's not too much else I can say about it. This one does not have red wheels to go with it, which I kind of find surprising. But they do look like they would make decent race cars. I'm actually considering building some sort of a track and racing these cars myself, just to see how they do. Some of them are really, really heavy. This one, I believe, is one of the ones they call the Bat. That's kind of cool because it's got really wide tires. Kind of, and of course there's Robin in the background there saying holy something or other. Always saying holy something. Here, another really strange kind of a Batmobile. And by the way, if you're interested in seeing any of the old Batman shows, a lot of those are available on YouTube, as you can see. Not really sure why this is on there, but we'll get rid of that. Okay. Not sure what that's all about, but these guys are always doing something crazy. And of course, you know, we are getting a lot of interruptions, or ads, I should say. There goes Batman. He's teeter-tottering around. This one, my favorite of all of them, features bats on the wheels, actually. The biggest Batmobile that I have, and it also features the cockpit opens, and kind of cool. The thing slides forward. I think this was featured in one of the shows. I have one of these out of the pack, one of these in the pack. Look at that ventilation going on in there. Isn't that cool? I really like this a lot. One in the pack, one out. Choice is yours. Alright. This one got room for Batman and Robin in this bad boy. Got a little weight to it. Probably do pretty good in a race. Gold-plated bottom to go with the wheel. And the interior. Pretty cool. This is just an odd version that I'm not really sure what series this was in. I don't remember it. If you do, hey, how about giving me a clue? That'd be nice. There goes Batman. Plunk, zap, zowie, and swish. Really cool. Alright, I'm going to swing around here too. Hopefully Batman will stay on his motorcycle. This is that motorcycle that I remember seeing in one of the shows, I believe. I don't remember what show right off. But Batman on his motorcycle. Batman actually comes off of this thing. And he sits on there just as pretty as can be. Really cool. And this thing is a roller too, guys. It rolls out really well. Alright. Over here behind Batman, this I thought was kind of interesting. I wanted to bring that to your attention. It's a whole series of Batmobiles that look pretty much, I'll see if I can pick these all up at once here. Maybe I can do that on this. But I wanted to show you that they all look pretty much identical from a distance. But when we get up close, it's a whole nother ball game. This one features the chromed over black. It's kind of hard to see there, but it has like a chrome finish, but it is like chromed over black. Is like in the right lighting, it puts off a lot of black hues. Same basic body design, but changed over with the actual outside appearance. This is in a semi-flat black, blacked out windows, nice wheels. These are actually rubber tires on this one. This is a really heavy one. And this pretty much the same as the last one with the flat black, but this has the plastic wheels, and it's going to roll pretty quick, I would think. And if I decide on that ramp anytime in the near future, I'll put that out there and let you see. I'll put all four of these guys up and see how they do. This one is in the gloss black. Got kind of a blue tinted windows. Nice wheel. All right. Okay. A couple of them I wanted to show you here. This one is from the 2004 first edition. And it is really a strange looking little car. The first when I saw this hanging off the back, I thought, you know what, I think this thing has a wheelie bar. But it does not. The 2004 first edition Batmobile. It's called the Cruise Batmobile. And by the way, if you decide on any of these, I know how to open this packaging without destroying it. So it will come to you in the original package. This one is simply called the Bat. And you notice it does not have any wheels. That is the front. And this, I think I saw in the commercial one time flying all around. Now you look at the bottom, it looks like it should have been called the Turtle. But it flies, so they call it the Bat. Alright. Not so much for my sense of humor, huh? Alright. Alright. This one is called the Arkham Asylum Mobile. Oh, I'm sorry. I got hung up on looking at Batman back there. Arkham Asylum Mobile. Okay. There goes Batman off to save the world again. This is from the Justice League. This is the one that features that turret cannon on it in flat black. And over here, this one is just called the Batman from the Brave and the Bold. There you go. Wow, that's a nice close-up of that bad boy. Got red wheels on it. From the Brave and the Bold. Okay. Next up we have the Batmobile from Hot Wheels City. Kind of cool looking. You Batman fans, brother, I am loaded up with Batmobile. Whoops. Alright. If you want a few of these, or want all of them, let me know. So reasonable, guys. I gotta make things move and keep moving on. Okay. Hey, another version of the Batmobile. I believe this one is called, what is this one called? Yeah, it's called the Batmobile. Pretty simple, from Hot Wheels. I believe these two, like wings in the back, open up as it goes down the road, and it probably takes off and flies around, which would make perfect sense. This one is called the Arkham Knight Batmobile. Arkham Knight. Must have been a lot of different series of Batman. I didn't catch them all. Alright, here it is. The last but not least. There you go. Look at the tires on that thing. fat tires. It looked very similar to the one with the gun turret on it. Except this one does not have it. See that? A little different design. Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to put these in a race version. Build some kind of a track and race these. I have a lot of Batmobiles. Alright, if you guys are interested in any of these, as always, contact my Gmail address you see right there. And I will be glad to help you out with that. And even with my friend Batman here, he is available also. Like I say, he's 6.5 inches high. Make a nice display piece to go with all your Batman stuff. I know a lot of you out there collecting Batman, even a little more wilder about it than I am. This one may be a little hard for me to part with, but see if you can talk me into it, guys. Alright, as always, my thanks go out to George Ferris for starting this whole parade of Batmobile stuff. What a great guy. George, gone but not forgotten. Great, great guy. Alright guys, thank you all for tuning in as always. I am JR from JR's Diecast Cars, and I'll see you in the next video coming up. This was video number 14, I believe. Alright guys, thank you very much for tuning in as always. Hopefully I'll see you again in the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you would consider doing so. And those of you who viewed, you guys are terrific. Alright, I'm going to sign off for now. Bye-bye.